Hello student, in the Visual Basic, today's topic is function. In the last lecture, start the topics function. There are in the Visual Basic provide different types of the function. There are the first is user interaction function, date function, string function, math function, and the fifth is conversion function. First is user interaction function. In the last lecture, start the user interaction function. There are the two types of the user interaction function. Visual Basic can interact with the user with input box and the message box, and the message box is also called as MSG box. This function display the dialogues boxes, those can display some information and collect the input also. The input box function, input box display a dialog containing a text and two buttons, OK and the cancel. User input in the input box function, user input the text in the text box and the click on the OK and the close the dialog. The text provided by the user and store in the string variable. The store in the every time the string variable in the input box. Every time the input is stored in the text format and you click on the OK, then the input is stored in the variable. Second is message box, then is also called as MSG box. This function is used to display the message boxes. Message boxes are used in the application to provide different types of message like warning message, confirmation message, error message, or just for displaying the information. It is also used to collect input from the user according to the action and the performing depend upon the button the user had the click. For example, the message box contains three buttons, yes, no and the cancel. Suppose you are filling any application or any form, it is asking the user whether to submit this application or not. When you submit the yes, then this message box then the message box is asking it is asking the user whether to save the application or not. In this way the message box is work. The message box is used for displaying the message, to provide the information, provide the different types of message like warning, confirmation and the error message. Next is date function. Date and the time function is internally store the numbers in the Visual Basic. Date function, there are the various types of the date function. Related the date and the time related functions is used in the date and time function. First function is date function. Date function is returns the current system date. Today's the current system date. The syntax is date and it returns the current date. It returns d equal to date and it returns the current date is returned. The current date is returned. The current date is returned. Today's current date is returned. The today's current date is 3rd February 2021. The date function, the current date is written. Today's current date is written. Second is now. Now return the current date and the time according to your computer system date and time. Now the current date and also time is also written. In the date function only the current date is written, and in the now the return the current date and the time according to the computer system date and time. Current date and time is written. Current date is written in n equal to now n equal to now current date and time is written. Next is third is day. Third is day returns whole numbers between 1 to 31, days between 1 to 31, including representing day of the month. Suppose D equal to January 24, 1990, then I equal to day of date. The function will return I equal to how many days? 24 in the January month. This function returns whole numbers between 1 to 34, inclusive representing the day of the month. Including the representing the day of the month. D equal to January 24, 1990. Then I equal to day of date. Then this function is written 24. Then this function returns the 24. Next is month. Month is month of date. Month of date returns a whole number between 1 to 10, including the representing the month of the year. Next is minute. Returns the whole number between 0 to 59. The minutes are 60 minutes. Then it calculates the 1 hours. 0 to 59, including the representing the minute of the hour. T equal to 6.27 12 p.m. Then M equal to minute of T. Then this function minute of the T, the return the whole number between 0 to 59, including the representing the minute of the hour. Minute of the hour representing 0 to 59 minute. The function will return the minute value. The function will return minute value 27. The function will return the minute value 27. Next is second. This function returns the integer representing the current second of a minute. T equal to 6.27 and 12 second. S equal to second of T, and this function will return the second value of the expression is equal to 12, and second is representing the second of the hour. This function integer represent the current second of a minute. Next is hour. Next function is our, this function also returns the integer which represent the current hour. T equal to 6.27 and 12 second equal to h equal to hour t. Then how many hours? It returns the 6 hour. It returns the 6 hour. Then next function is date difference. Next function is date difference. This function returns the difference between two dates to specify three parameters: interval, date 1 and date 2. D equal to this date difference. This function returns the difference between two dates to specify their three parameters: their interval, date 1 and date 2. D equal to their interval, their first date, and their date 2. And there this function returns this function 12 December, 10 December and their 20 December, and this function return as a 10 date difference. This function returns as a 10 days difference. In this way, the various types of the date and time functions used in a date function. Next is the string function. Next is string function. Next is string function. First function is string. Visual Basic string function can manipulate strings in an application. The following the various types of the string function. First is the string. This function returns the string value that contain character string of a specified length. Their syntax is string, their number, string, number and their character. String, number, their character. A equal to string, number, their 5 and their character is h, and the output of the function is 5 times h. The return string is built the first character of the string expression. The string function, the function returns the string value that contains character string of that contain character string. This is the character string. This is character string and this is the specified length. Character string is h and the specified length is 5, and this 5 times this function returns the 5 times the h. Means this function returns the string value that contains the character string of the specified length. Second is LTrim. LTrim function. This function used to remove the leading spaces. It returns the string after removing the leading spaces from the left side. The syntax is LTrim. LTrim means left side, and assigning to the string. Suppose example A equal to hello. This function used to remove from the leading spaces from the left side, and the output of these leading spaces are removed from the left side, and the output is A equal to hello. It removes the leading spaces from the left side, and this function is used to remove the leading spaces from the left side. It returns the string after the removing the leading spaces from the left side. The syntax is LString equals LString string A equal to hello, and it is leading spaces from the left side. The output will be the remove the leading spaces from the left side. In this way the LString function is used. Third is RString. RString. This function is used to remove the leading space. It returns the string and removing the leading spaces from the right side. Syntax is RString RString A equal to hello, the leading spaces from the right side. The output, it will be remove the leading spaces from the right side equal to hello. In this way RString function is used. Next is trim function. Next, fourth is trim function. This function does the both job of removing the leading spaces and trailing the space and returning the space. It removes these leading spaces from the right side and also left side, and it removes this space and proper removing this space and leading spaces is also removed. Syntax is trim string A equal to now leading spaces from the right side and also from the left side, and it is removed from the spaces from the right side and the left side. A equal to hello, it removes the spaces from the both the side and the string is displayed. Next function is str compare. String compare. This function compare between the string and returns an integer that indicate the result. There are the various types in the string compare function. When string 1 is less than the string 2, then -1 is returned. When both the strings are equal, then the 0 is returned. When the string 1 is greater than the string 2, then 1 is returned. There first string compare A equal to hello, then B equal to hello, and then C equal to compare it strcomp strcomp function is used, compare between A and B. A and B, and this function is return the value when both strings are equal. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5, they are both strings, their length is same. Here is length is 5 and here is length is 5. There are three conditions. When string 1 is less than the string 2, this condition is not satisfied, then -1. When both the strings are equal, then 0 is written. They are both strings are equal, string A and the string B, they are both string. And third condition, when string 1 is greater than the string 2, here is string 1 is not greater to string 2, then the third condition is not satisfied. Then in case the string is null and the value is written is also null. In the string A and B, they are both have the value, and the both of string A and the string B both are equal, and then it will return the value is 0. The string compare is written, the value is 0. The string A's value is 5 and the string B, the value is 5. Then the both strings are the same, then the its string compare function is return the value the 0. Next function is InString function. This function is mainly used to the search the string from the another string. It returns the variant which tell the position of the first occurrence of the specified string in the another string. The syntax is S equal to hello, H equal to I, H equal to L, and C equal to InString yes and H. Where is yes and H? L is unfound in the, this function is returns the 3 InString. This function is mainly used to the search the string from the another string. This S equal to hello, this search the string is searched into the another string, and it returns the variant. The suppose search the string, this first string is hello and the second string is L. This L letter is searching the first string and it is found on the third position. In this way the InString function is used. Next function is mid. It retrieves the specified number of the characters from a string. You can specify the starting point of the retry also. Suppose A equal to hello world, it retrieves the specified number of the characters from a string. You can also specify the starting points and the retrying it. Their midpoint is 1 2 3 4 5 and 1 2 3 4 5. In this way their mid value is calculated. Next is the left function. This function used to retrieve the specified number of the characters from the left side of the string. From the left side of the string, suppose a equal to hello world. This function will return from the left side. Left side is character from to 5 position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 position. The character is string is hello. A equal to hello world. The left side from the is printed from the position of the 5 is hello, and the next is right. Similar, the right function is used to retrieve the specified number of the character from the right side of a string. The string is a equal to hello world, and the string is counted from the number of the string character is counted from the right side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the character is world. In the left function, the character is counted from the function is retrieve the specified number of the character from the left side, and in the right, the specified number of the character is counted from the right side. The right side, the character is counted from to 1 to 5. Their position is given is 1 from m equal to right, and from the 5th position the character is counted from the right side. Next string function is lcase, means lowercase. This function is used to return the string has been converted into the lowercase. The syntax is lcase and string. Lcase, string, lcase. The string is hello world. The string is hello world, and it is converted into the lowercase. All the characters are converted into the lowercase and the uppercase. Uppercase means all the characters in capital, and lowercase in all the characters in small letters. Hello world. It is converted into lcase function. This function is used to return the string has been converted into the lowercase. Syntax is lcase, and the string is assigning the function lcase. Write the string hello world, and the characters is converted into the lowercase. Lowercase means the small letter. Then uppercase means ucase. The same, this function is used to return the string has been converted into the uppercase, and the syntax is ucase means uppercase, string uppercase, string uppercase. They write the letter characters hello world, and then it is converted into the uppercase. Uppercase means all the characters in capitals. Hello world, and this function is used for converting the string in the uppercase. Today close your session. Thank you.